what I'm saying, on the highway, you feel me? I'm with a bunch of Mustangs, cuz, man, I don't care about that. I'm with a bunch of Mustangs right now, man. One in front of me right here, you feel me? It's like 8 more there, but, yeah. I should have been recording, bro. We was, boy, cutting up, cuz. Nigga probably ain't gonna cut up no more. We was just cutting up, cuz. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video or not. Cause them boys way back there. They finna pop up. On the only Mopar, bro. Only one. On the only Mopar, cuz. These niggas still, they back there, bro. I can't. There's a lot on. There's a lot on back there. I can't zoom in like I want to. There's no one on right. This been right here so loud, boy. That 2V clean though. That blue one, that bit clean. But yeah, I don't know if this video gonna get posted, but it colder than a boy. Damn, boy, it colder here. But now, little quick POV highway. I never really get y'all highway POV, bro. I wish I could, but I don't really be, you feel me? I gotta start doing the moto when I do be on the highway. As y'all see, man, it's so many of these boys, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of these niggas though, you know what I'm saying? Cause Mopar, we try to do this, but, you know, Mopar can't seem to get along most of the time. Or, niggas just be, you feel me? Niggas just be tripping. But I've been popping so many flames on these niggas though, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, these boys gonna get to it. A lot of them manuals too though. Gonna eat me one up, man. A lot of these boy manual, it's like 2-3 autos, bro. The rest of them manual. It wasn't 10 speed though, man. Can't say that. But yeah, man. Going on car crew, you feel me? Now these boys chilling now, bro. We was just going stupid. The boy said, well, I gotta save my gas. I'm finna pop flame though, so. Yeah. Make nigga hurry up. Make nigga speed up a little bit. Damn! That bit was loud. I'm gonna go in the curve. Wait. Oh yeah, your boy a little Fred today too, man. Got a little Nike, what is it? Hold on, big ass pocket. Damn. Be on the wrong side, ain't it? I don't even know, but that big ass. Yeah. I couldn't even find that big ass pocket. Pocket all in a way. It ain't my stomach, nigga. Well, yeah, man, I should have caught all that, bro. I was just in the moment listening to that little baby, man. Little baby just dropped the extended version on their ass. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie though. Little baby, his other song, bro, I'm like, bro, that's not him, bro. Like, you on this bitch trying to rap like Busta Rhymes, cuz, like, bro, chill out, bro. Just rap, nigga. You always have hard beats, a nice rhythm to that bitch, and just rap, cuz. This nigga making Busta Rhymes hits. I don't know what cuz had going on. know if this video gonna get posted or not. Truth be told, man. But you know what I'm saying? I'm just getting the footage all I can. We're gonna see if these boys start back cutting up or not, or whatever the case may be. Get a little action in, and I'll let y'all boys know. I hear a nigga doing a pull. These niggas racing in the rain. I ain't gonna lie though. Cause in that manual, bro, that bitch so loud. These niggas racing in the rain, bro. Rain, girl. Well, they ain't racing, but you know what I'm saying? Hitting the gas, like in the rain. Typical Mustang activity, you feel me? I know that F-150 right here just like, y'all please get y'all lame mans out the way. Look at her. She's like, I'm just trying to go to work, girl. Get y'all lame mans out the way. These your people, dog. These your Mustang Ford people right here, girl. I ain't in your way, nigga. I am the way. Look at that. Well, yeah, y'all let me know y'all want more videos like cruising with a group of cars, you feel me? I'm trying to see if bro gonna hit the gas one more time. I am. He would do it while I was back there. So I had to have the camera on speed now. Think that. So with Clifford, get out of my way. Damn. Get out of my way, bitch. You blocking the motion. Watch out, cuz. Mustang nigga hard. Look at that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch clean. I just wish he had the other spoiler, but that spoiler's still smooth. He put a cow hood on that bitch. Woo! Well, I can't believe I'm surrounded by Mustangs right now. Literally surrounded by nothing but horses, nigga. I ain't got no hay, and I ain't got no grass for their ass. They got this fast. No, I'm just playing. My car slower than creamy, nigga. Oh, y'all please let the F-150 get by, bro. Please let the F-150 get by. Look at that bit up. Look at he happy now. Yeah. I'm about these boys away. You know what I am. Why everybody call black? How Mustang niggas so generic? But that nigga got an exhaust hanging or something from the bottom of that bed. I can't zoom on here. I know y'all see that. Y'all see that? Yeah, me too. Yeah, we got this little 10-speed right here though. Just 10-speed. I believe you got headers on that bed. Oh, yeah. That wind was just beating the hell out of my face just then. For somebody to put an eye bag on my cheek, what? No, that big cold. Damn. I should have stayed in the bed. What the hell I'm thinking? It ain't even 8:30 yet, car crew. Look at that bit with the early bird. No worm face out. Y'all see that nigga? He got... That bitch got a damn magazine on the side of his cars. That bitch got a magazine on that motherfucker. Let me chill out. Hey, that boy Cliff funny as hell, boy. That boy got a magazine on that bitch. Let me let that car by. Let the little Yukon. I'm trying to let the Yukon, GMC pickup truck. Try to let them scooter on by, but yeah. Oh, let me show y'all this nigga right here though. This nigga I was talking about with that loud. I ain't gonna lie, that car sound good as hell. But that bit right here, boy. That bit loud. I can't even lie. guess some nigga gas. I guess the nigga gas handle went down. Before that, them boys driving like gas come out of water. But yeah. Real car crew, man. But yeah, back to little baby. Oh, I ran over a cup, nigga. What the hell? Well, yeah, little baby album, bro. I don't get it, you know what I'm saying? Sipping on more syrup than 666. I got this shit on life from Duke. You know what I mean? But he got another song with Future on that bitch. Oh, him and Future do make what you call? Look at it, man. That's another stick shift. Another victim. Man. Yeah, we got another stick shift 3V. Catch up, my bad, I'm slow down. It's another little 3V. Little 3V action. But, what was I gonna say? But yeah, man. I hope him and Future, they were saying it was a rumor going around saying they might make a little joint album, whatever, to them two. That would be hard. Like, you put a mix of Lil Baby and Future together, bro, on a bunch of different songs, bro. They gonna have potential, because some songs you may be like, I don't really feel that, but then the other song will be hard, like, and them nigga just straight rapping, trap beat. Because Future be having some hard beat, bro. You get Future beats and a couple Lil Baby beats together, it'd be so tough, boy. That bit'd be super tough, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about Lil Baby album down below if you still watching right now. Let me know how y'all boy feel. I know that bitch, what? He got about, no lie, because I'm a big Lil Baby fan, he got like 4 good ones. He got 2, well, with the extended version, he got like 5, 6 good ones. Like 5 of them. Because the extended one he did, like this one, the 99, with Future, that one hard. It's another one, I forgot what it called. It's like the third, it's like after Idol. It was this one, Idol, and the third one. That third one hard. It called Running something. I can't remember. But that be hard. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about Lil Baby album. Because I know a lot of y'all the internet frying that nigga, boy. But it's still Lil Baby though. We need 2018 and 2020 and 2022 Lil Baby. You know what I'm saying? Street Gossip, My Turn, and whatever that other one did with the gold on it. The one that came out in 22. The last one before that one. We need that Lil Baby back. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what Lil Baby got going on. It's been a year, bro. Like, bro, it's been like 2 years, cuz. Them songs probably old, too, though. Like, them songs probably, like, dumb old, bro. That would make it so crazy. Them songs probably stupid old, but... Hey, I know y'all wanted to cutting up. They was cutting up, bro. I don't know what happened. No, I'm talking about, when I say cutting up, bro, cutting up. I understand now, though. You feel me? Cause, like, it's a little wet outside, but we first got on the highway, bro. There wasn't nobody on that bitch. I'm talking about, bro, you can literally stop and do a donut on that bitch out into the highway until we got like right up in here. But man, I don't know. It is what it is though, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all boys a little POV. I'm going to a car meet, right? A car show right now. Like a slight car show. I don't know if I should vlog every time I do a car show. Y'all boys do not rock with that bitch. Like, y'all boys rather watch POV, like, more than, you know what I'm saying? More than that. So, I don't know, like, that Honda finna blow me, bro. I hate when niggas speed up like them. Damn, bro, that big ass Lincoln. Like, cuz, gone. Damn. That nigga love trying to play her hate, cuz. I hate, nigga. You got a Georgia tag and that bitch blue. That bitch ugly as hell. Should pop a flame on that ass. Y'all ain't even worth the gas, nigga. But, anyway, man. Nigga just picked me up. Bro, I don't know what the nigga got hanging under his car right here, bro. But that bitch, like, hanging, cuz. That his exhaust. I don't know what's going on, bro. But that bitch, like, very noticeable. Like, that bitch dying there, like. I wonder do he know that. I hope he know that. And it's a salt top. I I do not like soft top, bro. I ain't gonna even say it can't be done. Soft top or ass. It's just not for a muscle car, bro. It's just not it, bro. I get it. You know what I'm saying? You drop the top, but it's just like, I'd rather drop the top with a hard top. You know what I'm saying? Give me a hard top, cuz. But yeah, anyway, I forgot what I was even talking about, bro. Damn. I forgot what I was talking about, bro. Oh, the car show. But yeah, man, I don't know y'all boy. I don't know if y'all boy really like, you feel me? Care about the car show. Every time I record them, y'all don't really watch them, bro. They get like literally 200 views, bro, and stop. But then I post a POV that ain't even, you know what I'm saying? Ain't even the best. And that bit get like 700 views, 800 views. Like, I'm just like, okay, well, whatever. But I don't know, y'all let me know, man. I probably get a little Snapchat flicks or whatever like that. But yeah, y'all boy, hold on, speaking of that, hopefully y'all still watch. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Nigga got a camera now to record on. I ain't gotta use my phone, my real phone. But hey, man, y'all boy go add a nigga on Snap, bro. That's where I be at. Hold on. That's where I be at, cuz, you know what I'm saying? It's Kari Beats with no space. Y'all boy go add a nigga on Snapchat, bro. I'm trying to get my Snapchat up, you feel me? I'm trying to get right, bro. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get somewhere. Everybody else getting to it. Why can't I get to it, you feel me? But y'all boy go add a nigga on Snap, bro. I post every day. That's like everyday footage. Anything with my car, stuff like this. You feel me? Cause I'm gonna post stuff about this, like this morning when we met up. The cars that gonna be at the show. So y'all boy add me on Snapchat, bro, at Kari Beats. No space or nothing, just Kari Beats. You should see it, cause it's public. I mean, you'll see, you know what I'm saying, videos or whatever like that on there. But y'all boy, please do that, bro. I got like 200 followers. Y'all boy, get your boy to 500, you know what I'm saying? 500 followers on Snapchat, bro. I'm trying to get right. But anyway, cuz, I'm gonna wrap it up. I know I've been just jaw-jacking that whole video. Y'all didn't really get to see nothing. Y'all got a few flames. I'll give y'all one more flame, though. Damn, that bitch is loud. Damn! Woo, that's some big one. When I can feel that bitch, when I can feel that bitch in the flow, bro, that's some big one. No cap. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all boy, quick little flame right quick. But what y'all stopping for? You know what I'm saying? This ain't the exit, my brother. But anyway, man, yeah, that gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, like I say, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep them in the mix. Stay prayed up. Stay blessed, you know what I'm saying? Stay safe out here in these streets, man. Keep them first in everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. And I also got to show y'all these, bro. Y'all both don't know about these, you know what I'm saying? For my sneakerhead, come on, man, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Broadway or No Way 10, eh? Anyway. Like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.